Office Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities Hakajingi Lang but Kemekalaya Urban Development Authority MUDA Hakasingi Baar Kila Pynlong Yiga Program Pynlong Thuh Paidbah Halor Kapang Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act Rajar Khandriu Hakane Kapang La Pensyai Halor Kahok Jongki Bru Padon Duna Hakajingi Bat Kalik Kawan Jongki Lingba Kibas Bat Taxi Kumta La Ai Jingpynsngew Thuh Nongñiah Bus Kinong Boat Bus Bat Nongñiah Taxi Kamai Hakajingi Lang Haba Pynlong Hau Soso Tham Auditorium Shillong Hakabau Ba IWNT Secretary ke Social Welfare Department Ulawan Long Kong San.
To make a society accessible and inclusive for persons with disabilities, the Accessible India campaign was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on the 3rd of December 2015, whereby target is made to build environment, transport system, information and communication technology accessible to the persons with disabilities. I thank Madam Sabrina for mentioning that I had an opportunity to work in the transport department for a pretty long time. And during my time there, we had a lot of interaction with the social welfare department, with the transport department. And then we have tried to do our best, but still we are very far. And I would request the officers who are there now to kindly do their best. And myself also from the social welfare department, I would like to participate and see that we try to contribute so that the persons with disabilities will have a special place in the public transport. The right for persons with disabilities is a significant piece of legislation aimed at ensuring that individuals with disabilities have equal access to transportation services and facilities. The state government is also in line with the provisions of the Act. With regards to the accessible transportation, the state government has recently notified the state-level constitutive committee for monitoring the functions of accessible transportation to persons with disabilities. And today's program is the outcome of the state-level consultative committee for monitoring the functionality of accessible transportation to persons with disabilities. The government's initiative demonstrates its commitment to fostering inclusivity, and with continued efforts we can move towards a future where public transportation is truly accessible to all, regardless of their abilities. So let us empower mobility for all and pave the way for an inclusive tomorrow. As we strive to build more inclusive communities, let us not forget the importance of accessible transport in creating a world where everyone is valued and included.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.